ব্লাড খুব ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট একটা জিনিস। এই কোভিড সিচুয়েশন, এই লকডাউন, এত ডেঞ্জারাস একটা সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যে ব্লাড কিভাবে লোকে পাবে? কারণ ব্লাড ব্যাঙ্ক কিন্তু ড্রাইড, পুরো ড্রাইড। অনেকে যারা আছেন ভলেন্টিয়ার্সরা, যারা দিন রাত তাদের ঘাম পাত করে কাজ করছে, আমরা আজকে আমাদের সাথে দাক্ষ শর্মাকে পেয়ে গেছি। চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক তারই মূর্তি।
I'm somehow got into this thing, blood and all, since last 1.5 months. I started doing this through using my own resources, arranging live donors from here and there. By now, my number got spread like fire. It's everywhere. I'm even getting contacts, like calls from what to say, Hyderabad, and different places. I don't even know. I don't even ask that who gave you my number, because by now I've got it that the number has spread. Now the thing is that not only me, there are many volunteers I'm associated with. Somehow I got associated. They are facing a lot of difficulties arranging the donors, live donors especially, because the blood bank has already dried up. Now what happening with the people and what kind of exact problem we are facing is that through our own contact, someone we know is like, हाँ भाई यहाँ पे जाके blood देना है, यहाँ पे आके आप please help कर दो. There are people who are coming and I'm very thankful for them. But again, there are people who are not at all ready to go out of their place. I can very well understand their concern. Their concern is fear. This pandemic situation, the fear of losing people, they might get infected if they will go to blood bank or any such place. But again, the question is, the catch is, they are the same people who are looking for vaccination. But tell you what I believe, no private body or government body will go to their places to vaccinate them. They have to come out of their place. My simple funda or my appeal to anyone going through this video or this interview, please, my main funda is to arrange live donors, and through in a form of, we can form it in a very simple way. I don't know what complications might arise, but if any political person or any technical person will look around to this can be solved. We can urge people that, okay, please come for donation, blood donation. We need to assure them about their vaccination. If we start this thing that हाँ आप आके आप blood donation कीजिए जितना possible होगा, I'm pretty sure if we get any assurance from any government, obviously West Bengal government, right now I'm talking about West Bengal government, but I want this thing to be initiated worldwide, at least in India, as in like by promoting it, that asking people for donation, blood donation, and in return giving them that assurance that, okay, sir or madam, you come and donate blood in such and such blood bank. In return, I will give you vaccination priority, on priority, and I cannot do this thing without government's support or assurance to us. And I'm not just talking about me, I'm talking about everyone. I am sure that if given such assurance from the government, within no time, I can generate around 10 to 20,000, or rather more than that. Then it will be very easy for me, and there are many volunteers. There is a group, I have created a WhatsApp group. Initially, I started with 8 kind of groups, as in like blood, 8 kind of groups. Not 8, I have added one more. Because there are people who are unaware of their blood group, I have spread that link. People joining that link, using that link, they are joining the WhatsApp group. But again, there are volunteers as well who are adding in that particular group. We are asking them to leave the group. If you have any requirement, you can contact the admins directly. I got succeeded in that, but still, when it comes in terms of numbers, we are still flooded with inquiries.
আমরা শুনে নিলাম কীরমভাবে দাক্ষ শর্মার মতন ভলেন্টিয়ার হিসেবে যারা এই কোভিড সিচুয়েশন, এই লকডাউনের মধ্যে ব্লাড ভ্যাকসিনেশন, আরও অনেক কিছু নিয়ে দিন রাত খেটে চলেছে, তারা কীরকমভাবে অনেক রকম স্ট্রাগলের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছে। ওদের একটাই এটা বক্তব্য, সেটা হচ্ছে যে যদি কোনোভাবে গভর্নমেন্ট অথবা প্রাইভেট কোনো কিছু যদি তাদেরকে একটু হলেও সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দেওয়া যায়। ঋষভ দাস রিপোর্টিং উইথ তথাগত সুর ইন ক্যামেরা, Sant Sevalal News Network, West Bengal. Please subscribe our channel.